Lindsay Lohan arrived at court for her first appearance in almost a year. The troubled actress is facing a judge who has sent her to jail in the past. Lohan is accused of violating her probation and lying to police after crashing her Porsche into a dump truck last June. According to reports, Lohan's lawyer had told the judge the actress had the flu and was too sick to fly to Los Angeles from New York for today's hearing. But Lohan and her mother arrived at LAX this morning. Lohan's trial for the car crash is scheduled to start on February 27th. She faces up to 245 days behind bars if convicted of violating her probation. Lohan has had a hard time staying out of trouble. She's also accused of punching a woman in the face at a New York nightclub in November, but has not been formally charged. The incident happened just days after Lohan tried to relaunch her career playing Liz Taylor in a TV movie.
It stops now.
Today's hearing may also resolve who will be Lohan's criminal lawyer. The actress's longtime attorney recently quit representing her. The judge has to approve Lohan's new attorney. Edward Lawrence for CBS News, Los Angeles.